Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to create recurring tasks in Asana, an absolute lifesaver if you need regular reminders for things like weekly meetings, monthly reports, or even those daily habits you're building. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up automated repeating tasks in Asana, so you never have to rely on memory alone. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the task you want to make recurring. If you don't have one set up already, just create a new task. You can do this directly from your project dashboard by clicking the Add Task button. Now, this step might sound simple, but it's actually the foundation of what we're about to build. Think of it like planting a seed. This is the task you'll see recurring at regular intervals, so make sure it's named clearly and has the details you'll need each time. Once you've got your task open, look for the due date field in the Task Details pane. It's usually right near the top, close to the task's name. Go ahead and click on it. When you do, a date picker will pop up, along with a couple of extra options. This is the gateway to scheduling magic in Asana. Don't rush here. Make sure you understand what date you actually want your task to start recurring from. You'll see an option called Set to Repeat. Click that. This is where Asana goes from a simple checkbox system to a real productivity powerhouse. With this feature, your task can automatically duplicate itself in the future, saving you so much time and hassle. Now, you'll need to pick how often you want your task to repeat. Asana gives you a periodically set of options, like every day, every weekday, every week, month, or year. Choose the one that best matches how often this task comes up in your workflow. For instance, you might want a team meeting to repeat every Monday, or a send invoice reminder once a month. If those preset options don't quite fit, don't worry. You can hit the custom option right below. This lets you get super specific with your schedule. Maybe you need something like every third Friday or a yearly review every December. You can tailor it exactly to your needs. Next, Asana asks you to choose when the new task should be created. This part is really powerful, so let's slow down for a second. You have a few choices. If you want the next task to appear only after you've completed the current one, pick after completion of previous task. This is perfect for tasks that sometimes run late, maybe a follow-up that depends on when you finish today's work. Alternatively, from the completion date, let's the next due date be calculated exactly one interval, like 1 week, after you finish the current task. Super handy for things that shift around, like updating a status report a week after each one is done. The third option, after a fixed interval, is for those hard deadlines, like making sure your Friday checklist pops up every Friday no matter how last week went. Think about which option fits your workflow best. Each has its own use case. Once you've set your repeat frequency and timing, just click Save, or click outside the menu to lock in your settings. That's it. You'll notice a circular arrow icon next to your task's due date now, which is Asana's way of letting you know this is a recurring task. It's a simple visual cue that makes all the difference when scanning your dashboard. The real beauty is when you mark this task as complete. Asana automatically creates the next task for you, following the rules you just set up. No need to remember. No need to manually copy anything. It all happens behind the scenes. And that's all there is to it. With recurring tasks set up, you'll spend less time managing your calendar and more time actually getting things done. If this walkthrough helped, please hit like. And if you have any questions or want to share how you use recurring tasks, drop a comment below. I read every one. And if you're looking for more productivity tips and Asana tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.